Welcome to this lesson on dividing integers. Today, we are going to learn the simple sign rules that tell you whether your answer should be positive or negative. By the end of this video, you will be able to solve division problems with integers confidently. First, let's quickly review what integers are. Integers are the set of whole numbers that include positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. As you can see on the number line, positive numbers are to the right of 0, and negative numbers are to the left. Remember, integers do not include fractions or decimals. Division is essentially the process of splitting a value into equal groups. In any division problem, we have three parts. The dividend is the number being divided. The divisor is the number you are dividing by. And the result is called the quotient. But what happens to the signs when we divide positive and negative numbers? Let's find out. The first rule is very straightforward. If both the dividend and the divisor have the same sign, the result is always positive. For example, 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Since both 20 and 5 are positive, the answer is positive. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. This is the standard division you have always known. This rule also applies when both numbers are negative. If you divide a negative number by another negative number, the result is positive. You can think of the two negative signs canceling each other out. So, negative 20 divided by negative 5 equals positive 4. Negative 15 divided by negative 3 equals positive 5. Now, what happens if the signs are different? Rule number 2 states that if you have one positive number and one negative number, the result is always negative. It does not matter which one is negative. 20 divided by negative 5 is negative 4, and negative 20 divided by 5 is also negative 4. If the signs don't match, the answer is negative. Here is a great visual trick to help you remember these rules. Draw a triangle with a plus sign at the top and two minus signs at the bottom. To find the sign of your answer, simply cover up the signs of the two numbers in your problem. For example, if you are dividing a positive by a negative, cover the plus and one minus. You are left with a minus sign, which is your answer. We must also talk about 0, because it follows special rules. If you divide 0 by any number, the answer is just 0. Think of it as having 0 cookies to share with 5 friends. Everyone gets 0 cookies. However, you can never divide a number by 0. This is mathematically undefined and impossible to do. Watch out for this difference. Let's try some practice problems. Number 1, 24 divided by 6. Both are positive, so the answer is 4. Number 2, negative 30 divided by negative 5. Same signs, so the answer is positive 6. Number 3, negative 50 divided by 10. Different signs, so the answer is negative 5. And number 4, 14 divided by negative 7. Different signs again, so the answer is negative 2. To wrap up, remember this simple summary table. If the signs are the same, positive or negative and negative, the result is positive. If the signs are different, one positive and one negative, the result is negative. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing these rules to master integer division.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.